name's Christina and welcome back to Chrissy's Corner. Hello friends, today we will be checking out a potato patch to see if there's any potatoes left to find. And look at our potatoes plants. They're starting to die off, which means we can use their old potatoes to use as seeds so we can get more potatoes.
Awesome.
Yes, very awesome.
Yes, they've been growing now for how long?
2 months.
2 months. Okay,
Yes.
well, let's have a bit of a scope. See what you can find.
I'm going to start near the actual potato, because that's where I think the potatoes will actually start to grow.
Yeah, I think you should find them near the stem there, I'd say.
I found one.
Oh, you got one already?
Yeah, Dad, see?
Yeah, look at that.
Is that
Looks
big
like an
enough
egg.
to pick?
Yeah, just pull it out anyways.
Ooh,
Okay.
look at that, guys. Look at that.
Wow, nice.
Very nice. Gonna leave that
Alright,
right
check
there.
that on the side. Let's have a look around the stalks here and see if we can find any more. Hang on, let me get from around the side over here.
Find any.
Oh, I can't quite see there.
Yeah, I can't see that much either.
It's like a jungle.
Yes, exactly. I kind of just want to jump in there and look around. Like a jungle. Whoa,
Maybe try around the same spot.
maybe.
Have a look around here somewhere. Around the bottom of some of them there.
I don't want to dig up the root, but at the same time, I don't really care if I hurt the plant.
Well, the potato is actually the root of the plant. That's where the
Yeah,
potato comes from.
Potato sun. Is that one? Damn it, that makes sense.
Nothing there.
Oh, 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 oh. Look at this.
Wow, that's awesome. That's a beautiful looking one, isn't it?
Yes, it is. Indeed, it's really
Okay.
big.
Let's have a look around the same spot. So at least we'll dig up this plant and see what we catch.
Let's see what I find here. I think I've dug a little bit around the whole plant. Almost moving the whole thing here.
Well, you can pull that plant out if you want.
Okay, if you say so, Father. You say so.
Yeah, pull it out and
I
then
do my best. You are my parents.
we'll dig up around it.
Yeah.
Nice, look at that.
Worm.
Wow, nice. But look what you got, some potatoes on the bottom end. Awesome.
There's some other ones that were starting to grow, I can see, but too late. Oh, there's a baby one we can use as a seed, right, Dad?
Yeah, we can probably seed that one off, yeah. Alright, put them over there next to you there.
I'll put it right where I put
Look
it.
at that, so far off that one that's giving us
Shall
4.
I
a
rip out
baby.
the one that we found the first potato at?
No, we'll have a look around there still.
Oh!
There might be some more underneath,
I
yeah.
found one at the side. And it's so deep.
Yeah, you got to dig
You
around
want
for
to
them.
have a shovel for this because it's really hard. Sometimes I just go.
Oh, yeah. Jeez, that's deep in there, isn't it?
I know, it's so deep. Dad, can you give me the shovel that's over there somewhere?
A shovel?
Another patch, Dad. Oh, I found another one while looking for this one.
I don't know where the shovel is.
It's over there, isn't it? Or on the ground near there?
I'm trying to catch on this camera here, so.
Oh, I got it. Number two.
Another 2. Wow, that's awesome. So that one potato that grew that plant
Well, it's giving me.
is giving us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and a baby. That's awesome. Is there anything else lying around
I'm
there?
checking around it just in case there's some hiding in the little walls. You never know. I did check a little bit around here. Couldn't find anything actually. Yes.
Alright, well it looks alright. We'll see how we go on the next
I'm
one.
gonna move back over here because I don't really like look good. Look over here.
Mum's going to be pretty happy with that.
Ooh, lost one.
Lost one there. Put them on the green top over there.
Oh, there's a million times. I don't even know what's that for. But
Yeah, just put it there. That's a little greenhouse. Just watch that hole.
yeah.
Have you got a your shovel around if you want to get your shovel?
Right
Yeah,
here.
little spade. Lovely.
It's pretty old, but it does
Okay.
work.
Just do it with your hand first. Just move whatever you can with your hand first just so that we don't stab the potatoes.
Oh, yeah, that's pretty good.
So as you can see everyone, it's been 2 months and our potatoes have grown to these big trees here and now all the roots are producing these lovely potatoes. So that's awesome.
Good job on
It's been
finding
quite easy to do really, all we've had to do is water it.
that. Can I pull the plant out?
Sure. Oh, look at that! Merry Christmas!
Oh, it's a mini one I get to.
Yeah,
Oh, another one.
careful. It's amazing how it grows off the roots, hey? Why don't you show the people the roots of the little plants here? Oh, you just keep pulling them out. So show
So
everyone.
these are the roots. As you can see some of the potatoes starting to grow on them as well.
Look there.
See?
Yeah, I can
Like
see some little ones
there.
still growing again.
Some are there, yeah.
Yeah, awesome. We could just keep on growing, but we'll start some new ones.
Yes.
Alright, have a look in that same hole, see if there's any more there to catch.
Oh, that one after that. Off the bat. Wow. I really thought there wasn't going to be many potatoes out. What?
Are they small ones, are they?
Yeah, pretty small.
Yeah, we can use them for a bit of salad.
Yes.
Some baby potatoes.
Or to be seeds even. We have a lot of big ones we can use.
Okay, awesome.
Can I pull this out?
Yeah, pull that one to be the last one for now. Looks like it's going to rain.
Can I pull it out, please?
Sure.
Yes.
Oh, no, only little ones on there.
Well, as you can see, there's only little ones that haven't grown yet.
One big one.
Might take that.
Yeah. We'll see if we can put it back in and see what happens.
I wonder.
Alright, well, do you want to quickly look around?
Yes, quickly.
Yeah, to see if there's anything left there. Oh, yeah, there's one down there.
And now I see I just touched the worm. It got me scared. Got it.
Oh, yeah, another little baby one.
It's
Alright,
starting to
awesome.
rain.
Well, I think that might be it for today.
Yeah. Hey guys, look what we got from our 2 potato plants. What an effort we did. And we got around about 30 potatoes, 30 white potatoes from only 2 plants. So I'm
That's
worried.
fantastic.
I'm worried what we're gonna get from the other 4 white ones.
Oh, yeah, it's like a whole bag right there.
Yeah, maybe even 2 whole bags.
Awesome.
Yeah, thanks for watching. And in the next episode, we will be picking some red potatoes from the red side of the patch.
Yeah, and what sort of upcoming shows have we got to do next?
Irrigation, mulch.
Oh, yeah, we're going to show people how to do some mulching
Yes.
and a bit of irrigation to set up some watering stuff, yeah.
Yes.
We've got some more planting to do as well, new
Yes.
stuff to plant. What else we got?
And maybe like updating the garden because of how grown it's been.
Yes, true.
We
It has
haven't
gotten
shown
pretty
you
wild
guys
out
the
there.
garden in like a few months.
Okay, awesome.
Yeah.
Alright guys, thank you.
Thank you for watching.
Bye-bye.
Bye.